हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज़ रश्मिरंजन पटनायक एंड आई एम वेलकमिंग यू ऑल टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे 4 जुलाई के कुछ करंट अफेयर्स को। ये वीडियो आप लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखिए क्योंकि आपके एग्ज़ाम के लिए ये वीडियो बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। नाउ, ड्रग डिस्कवरी hackathon, which is a national initiative which has been launched to support drug discovery process. So drug discovery hackathon has been launched to support the discovery of new drug discoveries. Now the two ministry has been launched this drug discovery hackathon. The two ministries are the Union Ministry of HRD, Home Human Resource Development, and Minister for Health and Family Welfare, and Minister of Science and Technology. So now, Drug Discovery Hackathon has been launched by the Union Minister of Human Resource Development, which is Sri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, and Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare and Minister of Science and Technology, Dr. Harshvardhan. So, Dr. Harshvardhan and Ramesh Pokhriyal both has launched the Drug Discovery Hackathon, which is a first kind of its national initiative which has been launched to support drug discovery process. Next is the Global Bharat program has been launched by the German technology firm SAP India. So, a program has been launched by SAP India, which is a German technology firm. So, that program is basically for the MSME sector. This program joined the MSME sector with digital technology or digital platform to make them globally competitive. So the Global Bharat program has been launched by SAP India. SAP India is a German technology firm and it is basically launched for the MSME sector, and it joined the MSME sector with its digital technologies in order to make them globally competitive. Now, central banks and supervisory network for greening the financial system, NGFS. The acronym of NGFS is Network for Greening the Financial System and Central Banks, has been joined by the Asian Development Bank and observer. Then president of ADB is Masatsuyu Asakawa. So president of Russia Vladimir Putin has recorded a victory in the recently held presidential poll. So in Russia, the recently held presidential poll, Vladimir Putin has recorded victory, and this victory said to stay in the power until the middle of the next decade, that is until 2036. So व्लादिमीर पुतिन जो कि रशिया के प्रेसिडेंट थे, उन्होंने एक बार फिर से प्रेसिडेंटल पोल इलेक्शन को जीतकर 2036 के लिए रशिया का प्रेसिडेंट बन गए हैं, जो कि एक रिकॉर्ड है। केयर रेटिंग फोरकास्ट इंडियन इकोनॉमी टू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बाय 6.4 फॉर द फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2021-21. So केयर is a rating agency which forecast economy, the top economies like USA, UK, Russia, India. So it forecast Indian economy to contract by 6.4% for the financial year 2021. So it also expect that the positive growth will come from only two sectors. That two sector is agricultural sector and government sector. So, and this contract, so the growth of the economy is only depends upon the agriculture and government sector in nowadays. So National Highway Authority of India chairman Sukhveer Singh. So now the NHAI, National Highway Authority of India chairman is Sukhveer Singh, and his tenure extends for a period of 6 months, and this extension has been approved by appointment committee of the cabinet. So appointment committee of the cabinet is a committee in which they appoints the centrally institution, the central institutions. Former world number 1 badminton player and the two-time Olympic badminton champion from China, Lin Dan, has announced his retirement. So Lin Dan is the former badminton player from China, and he is also two-time Olympic badminton champion in 2008 and in 2012. Lin Dan. Now, the International Day of Cooperative celebrated on 4th July. So, a day that International Day of Cooperative celebrated on 4th July. The day is celebrated by the United Nations. So, United Nations celebrate this day, International Day of Cooperative. Now, theme of this day was Coups for Climate Action, and Secretary General of UN is Antonio Guterres. So International Day of Cooperative celebrated on 4th July, and the day is celebrated by the United Nations every year. So theme of this year is Coups for Climate Action, and Secretary General of UN is Antonio Guterres. So with this video is end. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.